Use the range rule of thumb to identify the values that are significantly low, the values that are significantly high, and the values that are neither significantly low nor significantly high. Now, a test is used to assess readiness for college. In a recent year, the mean test score was 20.2 and the standard deviation was 4.6. Identify the test scores that are significantly low or significantly high. Okay, now the range rule of thumb tells us that for identifying significant values is as follows. Significantly low values are when you're taking the mean, subtract 2 times the standard deviation or lower. Significantly high values are the mean plus 2 times the standard deviation or lower, and insignificant values are between those two values. So the first thing we want to do is find the boundary for these significantly low values by substituting the values into the formula, the mean minus 2 times the standard deviation. So we need to identify the mean and the standard deviation. So we can see here that the mean in the problem is given to be a test score of 20.2. And we can see that the standard deviation is given to be 4.6. So let's find those values that are significantly low. So if we take the mean and subtract 2 times the standard deviation, we know the mean is 20.2 minus 2 times 4.6. Okay, so we have 20.2 minus 2 times 4.6, and we get 11.0. Okay, now let's find the boundary for the significantly high values, okay, and substituting in the formula the mean plus 2 times the standard deviation. So we're going to take the mean and then add 2 times the standard deviation. So we're just going to take the same numbers of 20.2. Now we're going to add 2 times the standard deviation of 4.6. So if we take 20.2 plus 2 times 4.6, we get 29.4. So now let's take a look here. Okay, so we know that the mean was given to be 20.2. So we know here in the middle we have 20.2. Okay, the values that are significantly low are to the left of 11.0. So therefore we have 11.0. And the values are significantly high are to the right of 29.4. So anything here that's below 11.0 are significantly low values. Anything that's higher than 29.4 are significantly high values. And then everything that's in between 11 and 29.4 are values that are not significant. So let's go and answer our question. First question is, what test scores are significantly low? Well, we would say that the test scores that are less than 11.0. And then what test scores are significantly high? We would say the test scores that are greater than 29.4.